mahi and now trying to make a few nice fillets. We might eat them tonight already, but as you can see the sea is a bit rocky, so I don't know if we're able to cook downstairs, but yeah, these are beautiful fish. As you can see, we have a bit of waves going on here. I think the wind's now 22 knots or something, and yeah, we're rolling along very fine. The only thing, it's a bit uncomfortable when the ship's rolling very heavily. Every few minutes it does that, so let's say every 2 minutes we get a heavy roll. Yeah, just the waves, and we have to endure. But one particular member of the crew is doing a very good job, and that's Johnny, our windvane. He's been steering now for the last 1.5, 2 days, I think. He steered us through the night, and he's doing an excellent job, even with the high waves and with a lot of wind. I think he performs better with a lot of wind. He does a better steering job than the autopilot, I must say. It's more comfortable, and yeah, it's less noise. So good job, Johnny. Hey guys, so you've seen that we've got the 2 mahi yesterday afternoon, and we're now going to prepare them, and we're going to do something special, and not very special, but we're going to make ceviche out of this beautiful animal we just caught. We've cut up some veggies, so tomatoes, onions, and below there is a pepper and a clove of garlic, and then after that we'll slice up the fish in dices, and we put it in this bag because it's nice and sealed. Then a lime and a lemon, the juice in there, squeeze it, shake it so that the lime will start cooking the fish, and then we'll throw in the veggies, some cilantro, and we'll leave it overnight, and then we have beautiful ceviche tomorrow. I have one tip for you all. When you're slicing and dicing in the middle of the ocean and it's very rocky as it is now, you want to keep your stuff from sliding. So we have these small mats, these anti-slip mats. We put the cutting board on there. So when you're not cutting, put the knife on the mat as well. It prevents it from sliding off the table. And since we have a dog that is always sleeping under the table here, we don't want the knife falling off. Now slicing some garlic very finely. I always keep my knives really sharp. As you can see, my knife skills are not like those of a chef, but I'm still learning, so yeah. So we are trying to take beautiful pieces of fish with nothing hard in it, and sometimes you have to trim it a bit. So as you can see, there's still a bit of bloodline on here, which I will trim off. It doesn't taste very nice. So, for those of you who do not know what ceviche is, it's basically raw fish cooked in lime and or lemon juice. So, what you want to do is you can take the raw fish, put the lime and lemon juice in, and leave it for a few hours. So what we do is we'll put it in and we'll leave it in the fridge overnight, together with all the nice veggies and salt and pepper and some cilantro. In Dutch it's called coriander. So we'll cut up these two and squeeze the juices in the bag. As you can see, the boat is moving a bit. I think we have like 3 to 4 meter waves outside now, with 20 knots of wind, 20 to 22, 23 I think. But it's a sustained 20. So the waves are short to each other. It's not like a period of 9 to 10 seconds. No, it's like 6 to 7 seconds. Okay, now we close the bag and we work the juice in the fish. So now this is all covered. We'll add the veggies like so. Now we need to add the seasoning. We're massaging the fish like so. Massage all the flavors together. Like so. And now all the flavors will melt together into one lovely ceviche. Let's see the result tomorrow. So what do we have here?
We have here the mahi ceviche, and I don't know if it's nice because I didn't taste it yet. Vincent didn't either, but it smells a bit like bruschetta.
Misschien nog wat peper en zout erbij, maar... Nice?
Yeah.
Put that on a cracker. And while we wait,
we hydrate. So good morning, guys. We look a bit bashed, I guess. It wasn't a very easy trip. It was a lot of rolliness, but still we could sail everything, the whole trip, and we almost used the hydroplane the whole trip, the whole passage. This is the morning sun you see. It just came out and we're almost at the anchorage of Lanzarote. Actually we needed the permit, but we knew a bit about it, but we couldn't download it, and it was a hassle, and at last minute we decided to go to, so yeah, it wasn't easy to fill it in up front. So we'll see after a good night, day of sleep, because if we arrive it's about 9 o'clock. in the morning and we take a beer and then we go to sleep.
Look, I'm making an Instagram post on how we catch mahi. So we got 2 mahi on the way. You've seen it in the video, of course. It's in this video. Anyway, but people asking, what lures do you have? Well, just simple hand lines and yeah, one expensive lure, one not so expensive lure. They both do the job. So I've seen people that catch them with a toothpaste tube. So.